Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I am having the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp December 2018 card kit. It did get to me a little bit late, so I will link to everything that is still available in this kit. And please excuse all the mess around. I have been madly frantically doing my Christmas cards and doing videos and stuff, so everything is a bit chaotic. But let's look and see what's in this card kit. And I do have one more Simon order coming that is die cuts. They had a sale on their die cuts, and so I've got a lot of die cuts coming. Okay, let's get the information sheet out. This is called Holiday Cheer, and I will have to do some Christmas cards with this stuff. You get a full-size distressed oxide. Of course, that's the only size they come in. Well, duh. Festive berries. So this is in the final set. I have not gotten the final set yet, so I'm glad to have that. Okay, so let's just start here with the stamp set. It is, of course, a Simon Says Stamp exclusive. It's called Christmas Cheer, and you get this adorable little Santa. There used to be a lot of cartoons where they were little chubby things and had little feet. I don't remember what they were, but you get the cartoony Christmas tree. You get these little postage stamps. Those are cool, and you get this cute little sign where you can put all this stuff on. So you've got Merry, you've got Christmas. Oh, this says wishing you endless joy and very merry mail. Oh, I'll have to put that on some of my envelopes. Sending Christmas cheer. Oh, I'll have to put that on the back too. Making a list, checking it twice. Christmas cheer to Santa's workshop. Wishing you a Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas to you and yours. This way to the North Pole. So you can go this way to the North Pole, or this way to Santa's workshop. Very cute. Yes, I'm going to have to do some more cards with that. Okay, so next is the Simon Says Stamp candy cane dies. So these look like they'll be totally fun to cut out and add to cards. Okay, we've got 12 double-sided sheets, so 6x6 Cartabella Santa's Workshop designer papers. Put our candy cane aside. Oh, isn't that pretty? Love those candy canes. Oh, very vintagey looking. Look at that, like that. Let's see. Oh, looks like a little blizzard. Trees. That's a pretty stripe. The North Pole. It's another neat stripe. Oh, I love that. Very vintage looking. Oh, love the red trucks. Plaids, cut-aparts, Santas. Oh, this is some fun paper. I love this paper. Totally awesome. Okay. Alright, let's see what's next. The Festive Berries ink pad. We get a Simon Says Stamp small red tag. Alright, you get one each of Simon Says Stamp envelopes, and metallic Schoolhouse red, metallic Audrey blue, and metallic white. I love their metallic envelopes. They're so pretty. Very Christmassy too. Okay. And you get 3 pre-scored Audrey blue A2 size note cards. So that makes card making easy. Okay, you get 1 pack of holiday sequins, so nice deep red color. That's pretty. And 2 of the Susie Plantamora's custom watercolor note cards, and 1 Daniel Smith watercolor card with 4 colors. And these will more than do these 2 things. But you can also use, distress inks or whatever other watercolor ways that you watercolor with these. And these are really fun. They're A2 size, so once you get them colored, there's your whole card front. They're awesome. I've ordered the whole Christmas collection of the Susie Plantamora. Okay, so we also have 4 colors of cardstock, and you get 1 each of lipstick red, green leaf, and Nina white. And let's see, the sticker sheets. These are the Cartabellas. You get 2 custom sheets, 6x13 stickers from Cartabella, the Santa's Workshop. So these coordinate with the paper pad. Let the picture. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, that is really cute. Okay, so lots of fun stuff to make some more Christmas cards. And you can use these smaller stickers and stuff, or if you do have big tags, some of the bigger stickers on tags, which I think I will be doing some of that for sure. Okay, there's the sequins and the Audrey Blue note cards, the pretty envelopes, this gorgeous, gorgeous paper. So much stuff, can't get it all in the frame. The die, and of course that really cool stamp set. Okay, so this is the Simon Says Stamp 2018 December card kit, and I believe it is sold out, so I will link to everything that is available individually. And I will also link to the card kit subscription questions and answers, so if you've want to know how that all works, that answers all the questions. If you sign up for the subscription, you don't have to take every month. They will send you an invoice and you have the option to pay it or not. If you don't, then they don't send it to you. So if you sign up, you're not locked into every month. So just a little bit, but the questions and answers will answer more about the subscription. So that's it for now. I have lots of videos coming, so stay tuned. We'll see you soon.